Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a spa day on my mom. I'm going to be using some skincare products. If you're interested in them, they are from our business. So my information will be in the description box where you can go ahead and contact me to get more information. But it's a nice spa day for my mom. She's been working really hard and she decided she wanted to get something done to her face. And then I also do put a little bit of makeup on her face. But it's mainly a spa day for her. So right now I'm currently using a polishing mask. She's already washed her face and unfortunately off camera she already put the clarifying mask on. So right now I'm using a polishing mask. I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over her face and scrub her face just to kind of lift some of that dead skin cells and really get her skin feeling nice and soft, guys. Okay guys, so this is my mom's face after she washes the polishing mask off. Now we're gonna go right in with the toner, guys. I love this toner. It's very moisturizing, but it's not super oily or anything like that. Like, it has your skin feeling nice, soothing, and soft. Alrighty guys, now I'm going in with the day lotion. This is a very nice balancing moisturizer for I'd say for more of my more of my oily girls. This is a really good moisturizer after applying a toner. My mom isn't really too oily. I think her skin is more so on the combination side. Mine's more so oily, so this would really work good with my skin. But yeah, that's what I'm going in. And I'm just massaging that in her skin, and as I'm rubbing it on her skin, I'm making sure that I rub the skin upward, you know. Now I'm going in, sorry guys, my camera had a little oopsie. Now I'm going in with another moisturizing lotion, but also this one's not like the balancing one. This is more so on like the firming side. My mom is an older woman, so she uses products to help form her face. So like I said, as I'm rubbing this in her skin, I am going ahead and I'm patting certain areas, and then I'm also going ahead and rubbing upward on her skin. Now I'm going in with the eye cream. I recommend this for anybody. A really good lifting, firming, well, this is for her, firming eye cream, but for most people of my age, I'm still in my 20s, so something nice and moisturizing will really work good for somebody like me. But for my mom, again, she is an older woman, so something on the more firmer side. A really nice but hydrating eye cream. You want to make sure we keep the eyes hydrated. As you guys can see, this close up on her face looks really nice and hydrated, guys. You guys can see that natural glow. Now I'm putting, sorry for the angle, guys, we will fix this. Now I'm putting some type of oil on her face. I really do love this oil. This is the same oil that I put on my face in my last video. I forgot what this oil is. I really want to say this is like a vitamin E oil, but I'm not quite sure, guys. All I know is that it's really moisturizing. It doesn't feel like it's weighing the skin down at all, guys. It doesn't feel like, even though it is an oil, it doesn't still feel super greasy on the skin. Like, the skin soaks it up and it feels really nice. And as you guys see, I'm lifting my mom's skin. And making sure that I work that oil in her skin, guys. And guys, this is also a good method when you are aging. It kind of helps with like the fine lines and wrinkles and stuff like that, from what I was told. That's what I heard and what I was told. So yeah, I definitely wanted to try it on my mom. And then I do go in with just a little bit of makeup, guys. I put a little bit of eyeshadow on her, a little bit of highlight and blush on her cheeks, and then I do put some lipstick on her. But for the most part, this was more so for like the skincare portion, you know. And again, I do apologize. I was not able to actually get the clarifying mask on because my mom did it off camera, unfortunately. But maybe in one of my next videos, either I'll go ahead and do that for her, or I'll put it on my face and I'll show you guys how that looks. But that's really good. It's a really, really good clarifying face mask that I definitely recommend for anyone that exercises a lot, or they work out. That's the same thing. Wear makeup. That's what I meant to say. Wear a lot of makeup. I definitely recommend a good clarifying mask, as well as a good clarifying face wash too. But yeah, other than that, guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see when I upload new videos. Bye, guys.